All right, so let us understand the concept of a transconductance from the circuit analysis point of view. So here is the schematic representation of the concept. So here we see is called as a grain block represented by A, which is the ratio of output current divided by input voltage. So hence the name transconductance. So you see that input to this block is a differential voltage, let's call it V in, and the output of this block is the output current, call it I out. This current then flows through the load resistance connected in the circuit, developing the voltage drop across this resistor. So this output voltage we have available, and the portion of this output voltage can be fed back to the input by means of this additional circuit made of some passives usually, and that is called as feedback factor given by a letter beta, which is the ratio of the feedback voltage Vf, which is the portion of the output voltage we are feeding back to the input side, divided by the output current. Okay, so that's the ratio of the voltage divided by the current is called as feedback factor, and hence from this we can easily calculate what is the feedback voltage that we are obtaining, which is equal to beta times I out. Now, this feedback voltage gets subtracted from the input voltage source Vs, and because it is being subtracted from the input voltage source, we call it as a negative feedback. That's what we are feeding it back. And the V in, which is an input to this gain block, is the subtraction or the difference between Vs minus Vf. So that's how we get the V in as an input to the gain block. So because it is I out divided by V in, gain of this block is a transconductance, the ratio of current divided by output current divided by the input voltage. And it is also called as current series feedback. Why? Because output here is current, and what you have input voltage, which is a difference between the input source voltage and the feedback voltage. So this voltage is in series with this source voltage. That's why it is called as current series feedback. Okay, so that's the concept of how the transconductance model is built over here.